Good morning. It has been so long since I've filmed anything because I just spent a week with my mom doing a little this, a little that. I have a lip tint on. Who is she? I kind of look like Mike Wazowski in the scene, like when he gets his lips sucked on the machine. And I hate that, but this color is so pretty. Today we're just gonna hang out. There is just like so much that I need to do and get done. And like I'm trying to... When I looked in the mirror after I put my hair up, I was like, oh my God, she's so beautiful. She's beauty, she's grace. And now I'm like, this is like the current state of everything. All of my stuff is everywhere. Let's just hang out together. Do a little this, a little that. Mostly it's cleaning. Mostly it's just because I got this new lip tint from my mom. Like, ooh, who is she? There's this thing I saw where people are like, women look so beautiful with no makeup, but a red lip. It's not red, but I was like, oh my God, that's so me. Hello? Okay, my clean socks that look dirty. We're off to an amazing start. My face is so swollen because I'm so tired. Yesterday, I flew from Oklahoma to Dallas and then Dallas to Santa Ana. And then I got off the plane and went straight to the Angels game because she's crazy. I'm trying to like live life, you know? Whatever, girl. Dirty socks and all. Girl, come on. The sun is like trying to come out and I'm like, please God, I need that. Oh my God, my dirty underwear. Ew, what happened to me? Oklahoma changed me. It was actually so nice. It was like very rejuvenating. But yeah, now I just gotta like get back into it. Thank God the bed is made. But here is an overview of the room. My suitcase exploded the second I got home. And then somehow it also exploded into my bathroom as well. Like these are all new clothes that I got. I know it's horrible. It's horrible, okay? I'm so happy. It's been so long since I've done like a little vlog like this. Just like hanging out kind of thing. If you're squeamish, don't look at this. Just kidding. My mom kind of got like a gag gift for someone. And so the magnets that were like a little too much for her, I was like, I will take that. My house will love it. My mom's not a regular mom. She's like a cool mom. Okay, you want to see what else? She got this for someone else, but I'm going to give it to my roommate. If you think I'm cute, you should see me in my fursuit. I think my roommate's gonna love this. I hope. I think he's gonna be like, oh my God. We'll do some laundry and a little this, a little that. This is just hanging out, okay? We're just spending time together. When I'm cleaning, it really helps me to put things into certain piles. This is my kitchen pile. This big disaster here is actually everything that goes into my backpack that I'm washing, because when I went to Oklahoma, I brought my face wash and it exploded in my backpack. So everything is like sticky and gross in there. And honestly, I should wash it regardless because it is a little dirty. My masks, panty liners, a packet of green tea, band-aids, yada, 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 tissue tissues, whatever. This gold dress I need to hand wash, put my hat away, blah, blah, blah. Toiletry, purse items, clothes to put away. And then my little sad trash pile. Because I've been working so incredibly hard this morning, I need to stop and eat something. And I'm gonna put you on to something that is amazing. You can only get this at Costco, to my knowledge. These are crust offs. We get like a big pack of maybe 20 of them or 18. I don't know. There's a lot. It's essentially an Uncrustable, but it's like healthier. It's not healthy by any means. 11 grams of protein, less sugar than the leading national brand, which doesn't mean that there's no sugar. Okay, there's 10 grams of sugar. Honestly, that is not too bad. It is so good. I love to eat this frozen. Oh, and it's strawberry, not grape jelly. It's so good. I know this is not good for me, but I don't care. Get this from Costco. My boyfriend and I are obsessed with it. The more frozen it is, the better, because it tastes like an ice cream sandwich to me. It is so freaking good. Every time I go to Oklahoma and visit my mom, I go thrifting. That is good and all, but I am on a low buy year. Honestly, I feel like I'm kind of failing this time. I did a low buy year last year, and I think I did much better, but trying to be kind to myself. Anyways, I got quite a few new things, and my mom gave me some clothes, so I have to now puzzle piece all of these into all of this. Yay! My bathroom counter is overwhelming me. Asthmatic girl. Like, if you didn't know, I have asthma. This is my nebulizer. I'm not into like Marvel and like superhero stuff, but it sounds like something like that. As I mentioned earlier, I am doing a low buy this year. My goal is to not buy any makeup, and I have not. I have not bought makeup for about a year and a half now, which has been amazing, but I did visit my mom, like I said. She gave me some makeup that she didn't want. So like, here's the thing. It's not gonna go to waste, which is awesome. But the thing is, am I acquiring more products? Yes. So before I put all of them away, I am going to catalog it for like full transparency on my low buy videos, and also to just like hold myself accountable. Some makeup, one hair product, and then one like body spray. And she also gave me this cute little new pouch, which is perfect because when I use my tote bags, I hate throwing stuff into them because then it's like big jumbled mess. So I love to have like a little pouch for stuff. Girl, I'm overwhelmed. Okay, there we go. Now that I don't have a guilty conscience, we can put all of this away. And also, I need to hand wash a dress that my mom gave me. So I ran downstairs and got this little cup full of laundry detergent. So after everything's like put away, well, I don't know, do it in the sink. I don't know where you do that. I got one load of laundry folded. I'm waiting for the next load to get finished drying. I really want to hand wash this. My mom gave it to me and I was like, oh, it's so cute and it fits. And then I turn around, look in the mirror, everything's out. Normally I would be okay with that, but it's so beautiful that I would rather someone else enjoy it. God, depressed. It's so pretty. There's like little tasseled things hanging off. So it's fine. If I am being honest, I have been on TikTok for the last like hour and a half. I even like downloaded an app on my phone to block all of my apps from a certain time in the morning to a certain time in the afternoon. I did delete it off my phone, but when I had it, it was really good. So I'm like, girl, something's gotta change. Since I was gone for a while, I have stopped doing my bullet journal and keeping track of my calendar and everything that's going on. I recently just bought a bunch of tickets to the Olympics. And so I need to like write it down in my calendar so that I can remember, even though it's like 2 years away. So I'm just gonna write in my bullet journal a little bit. I have decided that I'm going to have fun, okay? I want to have more whimsy in places that I don't have whimsy or places where I could have more whimsy. So look at this. My mom is like really into stickers and I was like, you know what? I'm going to cover the front page of my bullet journal with stickers that I love. They are just so cute and so fun and they bring me a lot of joy. I even love this like sparkly cat one. And then this one that says, buy less, choose well. Yeah, I think I'm better than everyone else. Just kidding, just kidding. Okay, guys, that was like enough resetting for me or hanging out or whatever you want to call this. I am so exhausted. But guess what? My roommate got me a gift. Brace yourself. Isn't this insane? It says, I love American wieners. Such a sweet gift, right? I was floored. I was like, this is amazing. Like, I have my whole outfit for when the Olympics are here, 4th of July, and every day. Also, my boyfriend got me flowers for when I came home. Let me show you. So pretty. He like picked them out himself for me. Love this one. See, look, I couldn't even be bothered to get up off of the bed to show you those. I need to take a nap. Maybe I'll take a walk. Maybe I'll have the greasiest possible dinner I could possibly think of. I think that would do me some good. Like, I feel hungover, but it's been like 2 months since I've had a sip of alcohol. Well, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Bye.